What happens to your body if you drink beet juice every day? Did you know that half a cooked beet has more dietary fiber than 2 tablespoons of rice? What if I told you that a cooked beet contains more potassium than a banana and 3 times more magnesium than a cooked potato? Surprised? Wait until you discover the incredible health benefits of beetroot. Keep watching, because we'll give you 8 reasons to drink beetroot juice every day. Plus, don't miss the fantastic recipe we'll share at the end. This tuber, commonly found in many people's daily diets, has roots tracing back to prehistoric times, serving as sustenance for countless civilizations throughout history. In ancient times, beets were used for dyes, teas, and medicinal purposes, addressing issues such as constipation, fevers, skin disorders, and circulation. This powerful vegetable is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and fiber, known for its stunning reddish-purple color and earthy, sweet aroma. Initially, beetroot was valued for its leaves, but the potential of its roots was later revealed, nourishing and delighting the palate. The natural sweetness of the beet was a remarkable discovery, eventually used as a sugar source. Interestingly, it was Napoleon, the French emperor, who popularized it as an alternative sweetener when the British Army restricted sugarcane access. Today, white beet is widely cultivated in cold climates for sugar production, while red beet is more commonly consumed in the daily diet. Beyond its sweetening role, beetroot is appreciated for its nutrient richness and flavor. Scientific studies underscore its benefits for enhancing physical performance and promoting overall health. What makes beets so nutritious? Beets are low in calories, but rich in sugar, proteins, vitamins A, B1, B2, B5, C, potassium, sodium, phosphorus, calcium, zinc, iron, and manganese. This makes them an excellent source of nutrients and a great option for pregnant women who have a higher need for folic acid. These characteristics also make beet an excellent food to combat anemia. Contrary to the myth that beet can be harmful to people with diabetes, its effect is quite the opposite. This root has a high fiber content, slowing down the body's absorption of nutrients and providing better control of glucose levels after meals, which we will discuss further. Not to mention, it is a valuable ally for our eye health due to its richness in vitamin A, playing a crucial role in maintaining the cornea, eye lubrication, and improving vision in low-light conditions. Furthermore, beet helps prevent cataracts, combats dryness of the eyes, and contributes to maintaining overall eye health. Now that you're familiar with this superfood, and if all the reasons so far haven't convinced you, here are 8 reasons to drink beet juice every day. Stay with us until the end for a delightful beetroot juice recipe that's simple, delicious, and packed with rich nutrients. Get ready to discover all the beetroot juice benefits for your overall health. 1. Beetroot reduces blood pressure. Did you know that beetroot can help lower blood pressure within a few hours, making it a good ally for the heart? There's a fascinating story behind the daily consumption of half a liter of beet juice and its ability to significantly reduce blood pressure, as revealed by recent British research published in the renowned journal Hypertension. At the heart of this discovery is nitrate, a substance of great importance that we can find not only in beetroot, but also in a variety of green and leafy vegetables. Scientists concluded that in healthy individuals, blood pressure drops an hour after consuming the juice. However, what was most striking was that this beneficial effect intensified after 3 to 4 hours and remained noticeable up to 24 hours after consumption. This success story from Queen's University and the University of Exeter could be the key to an accessible and effective treatment against hypertension. Keeping blood pressure under control is essential to reduce the risk of heart attacks and strokes. 2. Great for digestion. The large amount of fiber in this tuber, 10% of our daily requirement, is beetroot's major advantage for our digestion. These fibers normalize the intestinal tract, essential for digestive health. Moreover, a substance called betaine normalizes the stomach's acid secretion, enhancing nutrient absorption and preventing issues such as heartburn and reflux. Additionally, when ingested, fibers proceed to the colon, where they serve as food for the gut's beneficial bacteria, promoting healthy bowel movements. This process helps prevent issues like constipation and inflammatory bowel diseases. 3. Fights inflammation. In addition to all the benefits previously mentioned, beetroot combats inflammation. They are a rich source of betaine, a nutrient that plays an essential role in protecting cells, proteins, and enzymes against environmental stress. By safeguarding these microscopic structures, they contribute to preserving internal organs, reducing cardiovascular risk factors, and preventing various chronic diseases. 4. Weight loss ally. Including fiber in the diet aids in increasing the feeling of fullness, consequently reducing calorie intake. Moreover, beetroot is rich in water and low in calories. Whether consumed raw or used in unstrained juices, beetroot can be an ally in the weight loss process. Thanks to its antioxidants, beetroot plays a significant role in reducing blood glucose levels as it increases insulin sensitivity, beneficial for people with diabetes. Beetroots have a glycemic index (GI) score of 61, considered medium, while the glycemic load of beetroots is only 5, which is very low. 5. Anti-cancer properties. Beetroot contains antioxidants that are beneficial in combating cancer. Research on animals documented by the National Library of Medicine demonstrates that an extract derived from beetroot was effective in restricting the proliferation of cancerous cells. Moreover, lab investigations confirmed that beetroot extract reduced the proliferation of malignant cells related to prostate and breast cancer. 6. Enhances brain function. Research suggests that including beetroot in one's diet can enhance brain performance and cognitive skills. The nitrates present in beetroot promote the expansion of blood vessels, increasing blood flow to the brain and thus improving its function. 7. Detoxifies the body. Beetroot is a true ally for health and beauty, rich in antioxidants such as betalains and vitamin C, which help neutralize free radicals, toxic substances that can cause cellular damage. It also acts as a natural detoxifier, purifying the blood. Beetroot juice has proven to be effective in combating boils and pimples, reducing skin inflammation, and acting as an ally in the anti-aging process. Beetroot is also an excellent source of lipine, which helps maintain skin elasticity and protects it from damage caused by sun exposure. Moreover, consuming beetroot juice can be beneficial for liver health, as indicated by a study conducted and published by the Faculty of Pathology, National Postgraduate Medical College of Nigeria, on rats with liver injuries. According to the research, animals given beetroot extract showed less liver damage compared to the others. It also aids in reducing cholesterol. A study demonstrated that beetroot extract reduced total cholesterol and triglyceride levels, while increasing HDL cholesterol, considered beneficial. This benefit is attributed to the phytonutrients, such as flavonoids, present in this food. 8. Boosts athletic performance. The spotlight on its nutritional composition in the sports community is undoubtedly due to the abundance of vitamins and minerals, but also because of a specific component: nitrate. This compound is converted into nitrite and subsequently into nitric oxide in the bloodstream. Nitric oxide is a gas that promotes the dilation of blood vessels, improving blood flow. In a 2013 study published by the Journal of Applied Physiology, evidence showed that beetroot contains a compound that can boost the body's nitric oxide production. This process results in reduced oxygen consumption during physical activity, contributing to a remarkable increase of up to 16% in physical performance. Furthermore, the study participants reported greater resistance to fatigue, extending the time until they felt exhausted. Potential side effects of beetroot. Just like any other food, when consumed excessively, beetroot can have some adverse effects. Due to its high oxalate content, excessive consumption increases the risk of kidney stone formation. Individuals with sensitive stomachs or irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, should also consume them cautiously, as beets may lead to digestive discomfort. What is the best way to consume beetroot? Although it can be prepared in various ways, the best way to consume it is raw. This is because betalain is sensitive to heat and can lose its beneficial properties when subjected to cooking. While the results are very favorable for daily beet consumption, it's important to remember that varying your intake with other vegetables is crucial. Beets are a significant source of carbohydrates, hence their use as sugar. Therefore, do not exceed its consumption more than 3 times a week, or until you seek the help of a nutritionist. Choose small and medium-sized beets as they are softer and more flavorful. Opt for those with smoother skins without blemishes or cracks. If you can, buy those that come with the leaves. Don't waste them. They are rich in nutrients and can be prepared like spinach, sautéed, or added to soups. Beets can generally be consumed in salads, juices, omelets, cooked in beans, among other options. We've set aside a recipe that can be used either as a pre- or post-workout or even consumed for breakfast to give you energy. Easy beetroot juice recipe to drink every day. Beet, apple, and fennel juice. Caloric value per serving: 65 calories. 1-2 cup of fennel chopped. 1-2 beet chopped, including the leaves. 2 apples, seeds removed. 1 cup of water. Instructions: combine all ingredients in a blender. For an extra touch, add some ice cubes and enjoy immediately, ensuring the absorption of all nutrients. In addition to this, juice is made by combining the beetroot with another fruit or vegetable. also have effective actions for those who want to enjoy its benefits. We'd love to know. Are you already familiar with beetroot's benefits? How do you consume it? Share your experience with us in the comments section below. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only. Always consult with your doctor regarding health concerns. If you found this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share the link with your family and best friends, so they also know all the benefits of drinking beet juice daily. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to support our growth and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next video. Thank you for watching, take care, and see you in the next video.